Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. Today it is going to be the day 27 of the 30 days challenge. We are very close to end of the 30 days challenge. Here I am going to teach you the 10 phrases of the meaning let. If you are adding some preposition or noun or other meaning with the meaning of let, it is making very interesting meaning that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation. So we will understand the 10 phrases and you guys have to take down these phrases in your diary along with me, and after that you guys have to learn and then you guys have to use, because ultimately you guys have to learn a spoken English. You guys have to learn spoken English. For spoken English you guys will have to practice, otherwise you don't need to learn this language. How can you think about learning a language without practicing? So please do practice these phrases in everyday life. So let's get into the video. Watch the video till the end. Without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, the phrase number 1, that is let's shake on it. Let's shake on it. इसका मतलब होता है कि चलो मान जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, let's shake on it. We will pay 500 rupees. चलो मान जाते हैं, 500 रुपए पे करेंगे. Example number 2, that is you and I have come to the decision. Let's shake on it. यानी कि मैं और तुम डिसीजन में आ चुके हैं, चलो मान जाते हैं. ओके, सो देयर आर 2 examples that I have given here. Let's come to the next phrase. Guys, the phrase number 2, that is let down. Let down means होता है दुखी होना, दुखी करना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, don't you always let me down. तुम हमेशा मुझे दुखी करते हो. Example number 2, don't let down yourself. अपने आप को दुखी मत करो. So I have provided you 2 examples here with this phrase, that is let down. Okay, you guys can form multiple sentences like this and use in your day-to-day life conversation, in your daily life. This is how you guys can speak very good English, like me, like other speakers, like a native speaker. Okay, so let's come into the next phrase. Guys, the phrase number 3, that is let on. Let on means होता है खुलासा करना. Example लेते हैं. We are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, don't let the plan on. यानी कि प्लान का खुलासा मत करना. ओके. Example number 2, I will let you on in front of the police. मैं तुम्हारा खुलासा कर दूंगा पुलिस के सामने. ओके, so let's jump into the next phrase. Guys, the phrase number 4, that is let in. Let in means होता है अंदर आने दो. Okay, so we are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, let the cold wind. Please open the window and let the cold wind come in. यानी कि खिड़की खोल दो और ठंडी हवा को अंदर आने दो. Okay. Example number 2, let the children come in the class. यानी कि बच्चों को क्लास के अंदर आने दो. Okay, so this is how we guys can use the phrases in our day-to-day life conversation. So let's come into the next one. So guys, the phrase number 5, that is let up. Let up means होता है रुकना. Okay, so we are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, his studies has let up during the marriage. Okay, शादी के समय उसकी स्टडीज रुक गई. Example number 2, that is the rain finally let up after hours of pouring down. बहुत सारी वर्षा के पश्चात फाइनली वर्षा रुक गई. बहुत सारी बारिश होने के पश्चात फाइनली रुक गई. Okay, so I have given 2 examples with this phrase. So let's jump into the next phrase. Guys, the phrase number 6, that is let out. Let out means होता है बाहर निकलना या निकालना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, the teacher has let the students out of the class. यानी कि टीचर्स ने बच्चों को क्लास से बाहर निकाला, यानी या निकलने दिया, निकाला, ये भी हो सकता है. ओके. Example number 2, the students are letting out from the school. विद्यार्थी स्कूल से बाहर निकल रहे हैं. Guys, the phrase number 7, that is let off. Let off means होता है जाने देना, जाने दो. Okay, let's take 2 examples. Example number 1, I will let you off after 2 o'clock. मैं तुम्हें 2 बजे के बाद जाने दूंगा. Example number 2, she finally let me off after hours of talk. बहुत सारी घंटों की बात के पश्चात उसने मुझे जाने दिया. ओके सो ऐसे ही यूज कर सकते हैं यार, बहुत ही आसान है, कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं, कोई बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग टास्क भी नहीं है. ओके लेट्स कम इनटू द नेक्स्ट वन. Guys, the phrase number 8 that is let go. Let go is same but इसका मतलब होता है जाने दो, यानी कि चीजों को जाने दो, माइंड से जाने दो, इसका मतलब ये होगा. और जो मैंने पहले बताया लेट ऑफ, वो अलग होता है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, यू नीड टू लेट गो ऑफ योर फियर्स. तो मैं अपने भय को जाने देना है, जाने देने की आवश्यकता है, भय को दूर करने की आवश्यकता है. ओके एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, द आर्ट ऑफ लेटिंग गो इज रियली अमेजिंग. चीजों को जाने देना जो आवश्यक नहीं है उनको जाने देना, जाने देने की आदत, जाने देने की कला बहुत ही अच्छी है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. Guys, the phrase number 9 that is let it be. Let it be means होता है जाने दो, जाने भी दो. Example लेते हैं, we are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, let it be. Don't make a scene. जाने दो यार, scene मत बनाओ. Example number 2 that is let it be your fears and work upon it. अपने fears को जाने दो और इस पर कार्य करो. Guys, the final phrase that is let's go. Let's go means होता है जब हम कोई कार्य कर रहे हैं और देर हो रही है तो हम कहते हैं कि चलो चलते हैं. So we are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1, we are getting late. Let's go. हम लेट हो रहे हैं, चलो. Okay. Example number 2, let's go in the party. चलो पार्टी में चलते हैं. Okay, so guys, I have provided the 10 phrases with the meaning of let. I have taught you. It was my work. I am done with it, and it is up to you. How are you taking it? If you are taking it serious enough, so you will learn English easily. But you will have to be consistent in your learning journey. I have provided the classes, 27 classes. This is the 27th one. And if I am consistent with my teaching journey, you guys have to be consistent in your learning journey. Okay, so if you found something relevant by watching this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, share to all your friends who are very very close to you. Have a good day. We will meet in another specific video. Please comment on my videos. How am I making videos, and on what topic do I have to make videos, and on and where do I have to make some corrections. Okay, bye bye, good day, have a good day.